Here we go, the brake efficiency test.
That's probably easier, mate. We'll do that.
Yeah, okay.
So, good idea. Out of gear,
Yep.
brakes off, park brake off as well.
Yep, park brakes off.
Hands off the wheel.
Yep.
What Jamie's going to do, he'll instruct you from here.
Righto.
So as I said to you, the machine's going to start rolling. I'll tell you to apply the brakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So just like you're coming up to a set of lights or something, so you don't jab the brakes, just
Oh, okay,
slowly
righto.
apply them, okay?
Yep.
But when he says so, alright?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. I'm starting the machine now. And apply the brakes. All the way down, all the way down.
Pass 96% balance, so pretty good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know he did a decent job then.
Alright, so if you're happy to end that test, you don't want to redo it. Press 1, end test, and then we check your suspension.
So 1 and test.
Yep. Hold that.
Yep.
Put that down.
I'm not going to worry about the suspension, I'll just do the brakes.
Okay, alright, if you're happy to do that.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we'll test your rear axle now, mate. So we'll get you to roll forward, drive forward, so we get back up. Same thing out of gear, foot off the brake.
Yep.
So we're going to do 2 tests with this. We're going to do your foot brake test, same as the last one, and we'll also do a handbrake test.
Yep.
So again, Jamie will instruct you on what we need to do.
So the same as the steer, when I say apply the brakes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here we go. So I start in the machine. And apply the brakes.
Better than the last one.
Is it?
That's a pass.
Cool. Can I take the foot off the brake now?
Yep, you can go backwards a little bit. So we'll get you just to drive back into the cradle again. So come forward. Okay, so just take your foot off the brake, let it sit naturally.
That feels horrible.
Now put your handbrake on,
Right.
and now we're going to test the efficiency of your handbrake.
Okay.
So then you go,
Number 2.
no, number 4, mate.
No,
Oh,
4.
sorry, end test axle 2, yes, so 1.
1.
Oh, no.
No, it should have been the other one.
That's all right, we can stick to it.
Brake test. No, there it is.
Yeah, so press 2.
2. So 2.
No, so we've started all over again, so we missed the park brake test.
Oh, well.
Doesn't matter, she passed anyway because they knew that it
Yeah.
was heavy vehicle.
So it's gone back to the start.
Yeah.
What's the GPM of your truck, Simon?
GBM 10.4.
10.4? Yes, it is. Beautiful. Let me just get a couple of photos.
Yep.
Okay, Simon. There's that one back. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.
And I know we already got your odometer reading, but I like to, I'm anal. I like to take photos of it.
I'll get the dust off it there for you.
It's just my habit.
No worries,
I'm just
mate.
going to get one from the front of your truck.
Yep.
And then you're right to go.
Beauty, thanks.
Martin's found something that's loose in your truck.
Sorry?
That can't be loose on the tray, mate.
Oh, okay, righto. No worries.
And
Seat.
Pardon?
Seat.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
needs a new cover. I know.
He's going to get that side. We already discussed that. So I'll just get a photo from the front and then just drive off really nice and slow and you're
Okay.
right to go on, mate.
No worries.
Thanks for your time, mate. Have a great long weekend.
Yeah, you too. Thanks, mate.